What's wrong? Why are you whining?
Bad boy. Joseph, and that's why he came up here.
Yeah. Are you calling your girlfriend again? What's wrong? What's wrong, baby? What's wrong, Spot? What you doing now? Yeah, you're looking for your girlfriend? Where's your girlfriend? Huh? Where's your girlfriend? Where's your girlfriend? You looking for girlfriend? What you doing? You're trying to bite me? I know. No! Don't be biting. No! Don't be. What? What's wrong?